मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड तू मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड हो, मैनू कहंदी ना 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 ना। समझ ही गए होगे यार कौन सी ट्यूटोरियल कर रही हूँ मैं। हाँ भाई, आप लोगों की फेवरेट पागल कर दिया मुझे मैसेजेस कर करके। सो हियर यू आर, नो हियर आई एम एट किड्जी स्कूल एंड टीचिंग यू दिस डांस. So let's start. So guys, as you know, we're doing मैं तेरा boyfriend तू मेरी girlfriend हूँ, मैंने कहनी ना 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 ना. So here the song starts with some beats. I've divided the beats into counts as always. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You must have heard the song, so now you're getting what actually I'm singing. So initial 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It means total 14 beats we need to skip and we need to start from 15. So let me show you all the steps. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now let me teach you. Here 1 2 3 4 1 2 simple jump back 1 2 3 4. So it's chest hit 3 4. You can do either fist or jazz head, whatever you are comfortable with. So this and tuck. So here as if you just setting up your hair and just doing your hair. It's this and hip hit. So bend your knees and hip hit. And then after 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 simple leg, simple position of feet. Your legs are wide. 1 2 3 4. It's rotation, chest rotation, and 5 6 7 8. So 5 6 7 8. You need to do 5 6 7 8. Another beat. 1 2 3 4. Once you're done here, you need to make sure that your hips are out and you're doing na 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 na. And now you have to take turns. After this, 1 2. Either which way you can go. Either you can go from your left or to your right. So what we did after that, 1 2. Or you can go simple back step twice. Okay. So 1 2 3 4. 3 way up, hands up. 4 5 6 7 8. So it's up and 7 8. Let me recap for you. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. After 5 6, either you can do this to make easy. So what we did actually, you can do this, or if you want to try, you can do this 5 6 and bend and 7 8. You just need to take a body weight, however, down 5 6 and 7 8. Look down. So suppose you're looking down like this and 7 8. So it's a body weight. Okay. Now, so our last position was this. So what we did, we pushed and we came back on 7 and 8. Now let me tell you, this is not an easy choreography. This is little advanced and complicated choreography, and has been done by me and Anand, who belongs to True Guys, and that is in Shukri. So moving forward, lyrics part comes. दुनिया को खुद से अलग करके. So here, दुनिया को खुद से अलग करके. Easy है. It's just that we have made steps on each lyric, and that is the reason it is complicated. Else it is very easy because you don't have to really think about it and work on your footwork. No. So just hands, you stand, wide your legs. Duniya ko, left is going forward, is outward, and now right is outward. So duniya ko खुद से में बॉडी में छोटी सी खुद से अलग, जैसे अलग जाते हैं, अलग बोधी हैंड्स अलग करके. Easy, 2 steps forward. So अलग करके. Here when you going left leg moving, then you doing to your left. However, right hand is pointed. So it's opposite. So left leg and right hand, right leg and left leg. So दुनिया को खुद से अलग करके. So after this, रख लूंगा तुझको मैं हग करके. So here just one hop. रख लूंगा तुझको मैं. दोबारा देखिए. रख लूंगा तुझको मैं. So it's just one hop and keep your left foot here. So रख लूंगा तुझको मैं hug करके. Now hug, both the hands cross, fist and stick to your chest. Now here you can do either this, you can do this, or you can just do this. So left leg is in air and take fast slide turn with the help of your right knee. So रख लूंगा तुझको मैं hug करके. Little bend and come back. Hug करके. Now I want to say मैं तेरा सोनिए तेरे नानी. So I want to say you में ये करना है. Left is here and same way right hand is doing this. जैसे कि we say that she speaks a lot like that. So I want to say you here you can, if you want, you can move your foot or feet or nothing. You can simply do this. Okay. So what we did like this. So रख लूँगा sorry. I will say you मेहता रहना. Now see मेहता रहना. Your profile and you doing मेहता रहना. मेहता रहना. Left is throwing मेहता रहना. सोनिए turn. See मेहता रहना. Now left comes here and your left is forward now. We took half turn and your right leg is at the back. मेहता रहना सोनिए. Now तेरे नाल knee. So after this, how did we do that? It's simple. It's tipping. However, it is with body weight. Okay, so you profile and hands position this. When stride going down, your left is up. So we just throw our left leg and just took a turn. Now left is forward, right is back, and we're doing twice, dipping and body weight together. And your hands are, when your right is going, your left is up. So naal knee. तो मेरे naal knee. That's it. So twice, 1, 2, and come back here. And after this, now again 8 beats come, where the same music. It's that na 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 na. Same beat, same music. So after this, you come back, and then after 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. Just you need to lose your body, and you just need to 1 step, 2 step, 1 step, 2 step. That's it. And hands are crossing. It's very easy. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 5 and 6. So your right is going up, your knees bending, and 5, 6. So you join your hands, 5, 6. So जैसे आपका पैर ऊपर जा रहा है, similarly your hands will go up through your elbow. So 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now you need to take turn, half turn. You need to just go profile while tapping with the help of your toes. So 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now your hand is just doing your hair and setting up them, and you just need to take a body weight along with that. So 5, 6, 7 and 8. You can simply also go like this, 7 and 8. Now again 8 beats more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 steps. How? Rotational. 4 times. Okay, and you just need to step up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. As if that you're grabbing something. First left and right, and 7 and 8, 7 and 8. So 7 left and then right leg. So jump and come back. And how are you going to come back? Like a body weight. Let me tell you, let me show you once again all the steps. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Need to come back like this, and after that main lyrics coming. The same lyrics that we have already done, however different steps. So दुनिया को खुद से. What you need to do? right hand here and left is up, and you need to go to your left. दुनिया को खुद से, दुनिया को खुद से 4 times. If you want to move your foot like this, you can do that, and if you don't want to move, it's okay because this is very quick. So दुनिया को खुद से अलग करके, अलग अलग में your right leg goes little back. So अलग करके, करके, okay? Now रख लूँगा तुझको मैं हग करके, दुनिया को खुद से अलग करके रख लूँगा तुझको मैं. So it's basically shimmying, okay? So and hands are shaking, and you need to go from your left to right. रख लूँगा तुझको, left leg step, right leg step. That's it. So दुनिया को खुद से अलग करके रख लूँगा तुझको मैं hug. Now on hug, left goes forward. Hug and hug yourself. Hug करके. Now I wanna say you बता रहा है सॉरी है. I wanna say you. Simple. Hug करके. I wanna say you. So left throw, keep the left and the right. I wanna say you. मैं तो रहना सोनी है. Move your waist, and if you want to move your chest, you can do that together. So मैं तो रहना सोनी है. The naal, naal. Now again shifting the wave and hop. It's this. Okay? रहना सोनी है. तेरे naal, naal, and here knee last. So right leg goes diagonal and then move to your hips. Once again, tere naal, naal, knee, and come back. So diagonally put your right foot and then you move to your hips. And if you don't want, you can simply take turn like this. Now, प्यार वाली बातें सब करके. So you here, you don't have to do anything with your feet. Now प्यार वाली बातें. So look at my hands. It's प्यार वाली बातें. Again, प्यार वाली बातें. Again, join your hands. प्यार ऊपर गया, नीचे आया हाथ, and then slightly bend outwards, and your hands are a little distant, and then come back. So प्यार वाली बातें सब करके. So little dipping. So it's not basically dipping, but you just need to move your left or right foot like this. Okay? And move something. Here is something sticking here on your shoulder, and you just need to remove. Okay? सब करके मर बैठा तुझको मैं लब करके. After this, mar. What you did? You just hold your collar or whatever your shirt here. Mar baitha. Simple. Mar. Left is there in the air, and you putting your weight to your right. Mar baitha तुझ पे मैं. See the position. It's this. So both the knees are bent, and as if that you fighting, you can do that. So mar baitha tujhko main, and again come back. So 1 and 2. Look at again. It's left and come back, or just go back. So mar baitha tujhko main, hug karke. Hug mein you have to again hug yourself, and right is again little up. Hug karke. I wanna say you. So you need to go profile and left. Now I wanna say you. Only 2 steps. I wanna say you. मैं तो रहना सोनी है. मैं तो रहना में you need to go down, and your neck should be down, touching your foot from down to up. मेरे नाल, नाल, knee and turn. So जैसे हम आगे आ रहे हैं, वैसे हम पीछे जाएंगे और we'll come back. Once again, let me recap for you. So प्यार वाली बातें सब करके. मर बैठा तुझको मैं हग करके. I wanna say you मैं तेरे सुनिए तेरे नाल नाल नी. After taking this time, now मैं तेरा boyfriend 1 2 3 4. मैं तेरा boyfriend 1 2 3. So we need to catch these beats. So after taking me, मैं तेरा क्योंकि. Now here, if you really want to show yourself that you're a really good dancer, you can use your feet as much as you can. But if you're not really convinced, and if you're not really comfortable doing that, then you can simply move your hands. It will also look good. So kyunki, you can do this, or you can do this kyunki. Okay? So what we did another is on my belly. So क्योंकि मैं तेरा boyfriend. So 1 2 3 4 and now here 1 2 3 once again. क्योंकि मैं तेरा boyfriend 1 2 so elbow to right, left elbow to left and last, or you can simply jump. So क्योंकि मैं तेरा boyfriend 1 2 3 4 मैं तेरा boyfriend, so मैं तेरा में what you need to do, jump your left leg is like this, okay, as if that you kicked something from your back. So मैं तेरा boyfriend, now you can rotate from left to right or right to left, whatever you want to. मैं तेरा boyfriend, then after 1 2 3 simple leg, cross your legs, cross your hands and your legs are bent and this, okay. Once again, क्योंकि मैं तेरा boyfriend 1 2 3 मैं तेरा boyfriend 1 2 3 मैं तेरा boyfriend तू मेरी girlfriend, or you can do मैं तेरा boyfriend तू मेरी girlfriend, anywhere you want to go, forward, back, right, left, wherever. So तू मेरी girlfriend, rotate from right to left, तू मेरी girlfriend, वो मैनू कहंदी, जो हमने लास्ट टाइम किया था, here same you have to repeat to the side. वो मैनू कहंदी ना 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 ना. So toe toe toe. So let me recap for you once again. क्योंकि मैं तेरा boyfriend 1 2 3 मैं तेरा boyfriend 1 2 3 मैं तेरा boyfriend तू मेरी girlfriend, वो मैनू कहंदी ना 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 ना. So 1 2 3 4 and come back. Sorry, it's like from belly to chest. Come back. Now music beats up. So same lyrics. मैं तेरा boyfriend तू मेरी girlfriend. Now see the steps. मैं तेरा boyfriend. कुछ नहीं है. This is 1 and 2. Again 1 and 2 and do your head. मैं तेरा boyfriend तू मेरी girlfriend. You can do this. मैं तेरा boyfriend तू मेरी girlfriend. Any which way. So what we did? मैं तेरा boyfriend तू मेरी girlfriend. So step and step. Move your waist twice. मैं तेरी girlfriend. वो नहीं, मैं तेरा boyfriend तू मेरी girlfriend. वो मैनू कहंदी. वो मैनू up कहंदी down and your knees are bent and your hips is out. So वो मैनू कहंदी on your hip na 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 na. So right left or left right. Na 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 na. Now रुक तू जा. रुक. The same hand you're doing na 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 goes in like this and your right is coming forward. So na 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 रुकते जा. Easy. रुकते जा मेरी girl. Bend your knees. Girl तो सुन ले. Again रुकते जा मेरी girl तो सुन ले ऐसे करना है and your knees, sorry, your feet are closed. girl तो सुन ले, वो मैनू कहंदी ना 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 ना. So let me recap for you. After this, मैं तेरा boyfriend तू मेरी girlfriend, वो मैनू कहंदी ना 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 ना. रुकती जा मेरी girl तो सुन ले, वो मैनू कहंदी ना 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 ना. मैं तेरा boyfriend तू मेरी girlfriend, वो मैनू कहंदी ना 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 ना. रुकती जा मेरी girl तो सुन ले, वो मैनू कहंदी ना ना. So guys, that was the choreography of मैं तेरा boyfriend तू मेरी girlfriend. Hope you liked it, and I know I'm going to get a lot of comments like, oh my god, this is an advanced choreography, this is very complicated. But make sure when you watch it, just listen to me carefully and watch me carefully, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to be really tough for you guys. And what else? Yes, do like, share, subscribe to our channel, that is Dancercise. This was the choreography done by me and True guys. I'm going to see you soon. Love you.